Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Raktabija, seed cause. The cause of desire is the intellect that there is happiness in the subject of the tune and the desire to be happy from them. Is the sound of the tune the seed of the tune? As if the tune is the source of pleasure, pleasure is the source of lust, lust is the cause of many sins, sins are the cause of suffering, therefore the tune is the source of suffering in the world. The community of desire is the tune. When a desire comes to the mind, joy and sorrow arise from it. The tune is a plant of desire. Just as an infinite flood arises to cut a smile, if desire is destroyed, desires arise again. Desire cannot be destroyed without cutting the root of ignorance. Desire has no infinity. There is no old age or death, but the nature of wanting everything that is seen creates the illusion that there is happiness in similar things and plunges the worldly people into hardship. Raga Vijaya, the image that wants to be lost when desired. Without it, the blessed cannot desire anything. Poverty, disease, etc. come on their own even if we do not want them, and pleasures, even if we have virtue, come even if we do not want them. Otherwise, even if we want them, they will not come, so we should not desire them in any way. The degrees of the world are also unstable. Even the heavenly rivers cause sorrow through decay, excess, and falls. Just as a pot can hold as much water as a lake, a river, or a lake, so can the forests, mountains, and rivers. Whatever we do, we will get as much as we have been destined for. Whatever is desired, it becomes beautiful, and the desire for it is not satisfied. Desire is sorrow, disappointment is happiness. Where there is no desire, happiness is desire, desire is sorrow. Therefore, the goal of evil cannot be desired. As long as there is life, desire for things does not leave anyone. When life goes away and Shiva is attained, all short-lived desires disappear by themselves. Therefore, abandon the unstable desire for pleasure and become one who gives true happiness. If the cause of thought and happiness is the matter, then there should be no joy in samadhi sleeps that are not related to the matter. Because joy is not in the matter, the desire for bitterness arises through not experiencing that the perfect form of bliss is itself. Just as a person who drinks nectar does not desire bitterness, a person who has experience does not desire short-lived pleasure. The extension of the tongue is to expand the feeling that one is the form of perfect bliss. Then, whatever object one desires, that object is my form. Knowing this, the bliss in the object is also mine, the desire for it also becomes an end.